This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to attach the arms as you're crocheting the body of your Amigurumi project. At this point, you should have crocheted rounds 1 through 29 of the body, attaching the legs and tail where indicated. You should also have 2 completed arms that are slip-stitched closed and have the yarn tails hidden inside the work. The next step is to mark stitches on the body that will show us where to attach the arms as we're crocheting the next round. Mark off 6 stitches on each side of the body with the tail centered in the middle. These markers will show you where to start and stop attaching each arm as you crochet round 30. To do that, fold the last completed round in half, centered on the tail. Mark off 2 groups of 6 on each side, centered in the middle of the fold. Just do the best you can, and it will adjust if necessary. Here is the gap between where the 2 arms will be. Check to make sure it looks centered above the tail. Mine doesn't, so I'm going to move my stitch markers down 2 or 3 stitches on each side. Okay, I think that looks centered, and you'll notice here that the end of the previous round is in my way, so I'm going to pull that stitch out. Don't worry, it's not going to affect your stitch count of the previous round or the round that we're going to do next. And it's okay if your end of round is in a different place than mine. Okay, I think we're ready to get started. Single crochet around until you hit the first arm marker, which for me is 0. Align the first arm, and you want to make sure that the front is facing out and that it's aligned on the right side of the work. Remove the first stitch marker and we'll attach the arm stitch for stitch. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Continue crocheting around until you hit the second group of marked stitches. Attach the second arm just like the first. Complete the remainder of the round. Both arms are now attached. Complete the remainder of the body as your pattern is written. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!